You may acquire 1,000 different things and feel proud for 1,000 different reasons, but nothing in the outside world is as powerful as your inner magic. The magic which comes with the way you talk, think, feel, and act. You cannot touch these qualities, but you can feel their power. When your thoughts, words, and actions work in a positive way, you can feel the presence of who you are. For the very first time, you may realize that you are beyond the body. The reason why we suffer is because we search for water in the desert. When you don't get the source of happiness, your search makes you restless. But the moment you realize source is in you, your actions and your thoughts, you naturally become a happy human being. You start getting answers to every questions in life. Solutions come faster than before. You feel lighter and calmer from within. Your understanding is that gold that shines in the dark road of problems. It always shows you the path to freedom and self-improvement. The more your understanding power grows, the happier you become in life. Isn't that a magical power? We are the magicians who forget that we can do magic with our words, thoughts, and actions. We can train ourselves every single day to get better at these areas. And that's how we get closer to perfection. There comes a time when people begin to feel the magic in you. Everything you do and everything you say starts hitting the hearts of people. How is that possible? It's because of your inner magic. They sense something special that they cannot buy through money or touch through hands. It's a spiritual gift we all have gotten from the God. So stop thinking that you are not capable. It's a lie. You are a unique magician. Your powers can unleash anytime. The only requirement is to understand that the power is inside, not outside. Of course, it is great to have money, house, cars, but a life without knowing yourself fully is an incomplete life. Start knowing the value of who you are. Work on your habits. Be the person you want to be. And as your way of living improves, life automatically gets better. Challenges come, but now you handle them like a pro, like a magician who knows the most powerful trick. Everything changes when you act from your powerful state, when you improve yourself, and then at some point in life, you understand how powerful you truly are. Good and bad will come and go. Sometimes you will make mistakes, other times you will take better choices. But you will feel the power within you. No outside possession will be as valuable as yourself, your inner self.